got stock market coming off. So I would imagine my little day trades probably got blown out here. So stops are hit. See you later. Had some crypto names on the books recently. The crypto stocks sucking horse. Stopped out on almost all of them now. But the crypto names that I bought recently, I mean, you can see 3 of them are underwater. One of them, we did book a really nice little trade, then threw in a stink bid to buy it back, and we're up a bit on that trade right now. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, there's just not a hell of a lot to get excited about. I mean, I hate to say it, but I think you can make the argument that this bearish bot that we have on the screen here, there is the bot level. And frankly speaking, I don't even mind going and strapping on that short and just letting it work. I think I would rather do it in the futures market. So yeah, look at that stock market just crapping out. And I'm getting into the habit. I like doing this, where at the beginning of the day, of course, hopefully you see this is an ATR level. So I'm just putting big circles on where I should be hunting for trade location. And this is settlement. So basically the market just came back to unchanged there. So it's interesting how I was sort of piddling around here through the day, seeing if I could get a setup to take us up top into this trade location. But ironically, what it ended up happening is the market just melted down back into this trade location. Wonderful. Did the boxes on crude oil. There's ATR to the upside. So I would say, and interesting, all this is just a counter trend rally up against these highs. So trade locations, we're probably thinking about hunting shorts on crude soon. Hunting longs on the stock market. How ironic. Let's see what gold's bubbles are. Do I have gold's bubbles on here? No, it doesn't look like I did that for this one. You can see pretty far away, so not really a hell of a lot to do there either. So I was kind of thinking earlier today, that we'd have trend continuation to the upside, but clearly that didn't work. So got stopped out. Way to go, Brian. Just keep diarizing, keep logging, keep journaling, keep the bet sizes low. This is like about an $80 loss or something. And keep coming back day after day after day. Theoretically, interesting thing about this trade is what I really want to do is because these are micros, what I really want to do is have 3 contracts on. And when I was trading in the zone there 6-8 months ago, I was doing lots of 3 lots and having great old time. Seems like almost every day we're banging out wins. Now, of course, I can't get out of my own way. So what I've kind of done here is said, look, I want to take bot setups, but I'm not going to go full bore all 3 contracts. I'll put 1 contract on the bot level if I see at least 3. In this case, it looked like an inverted head and shoulders that came in there. So I actually had a bit of confidence. And then I said, as soon as we get any kind of W structure coming in here, I might go and add to the trade. Interesting how this is such a good analogy of this market state right now. You can clearly see they went and painted this very pretty bottom here. And I bet you there are a lot of guys who got goaded into buying that bottom and they just got slapped. So it's a evil market right now. I'll tell you that much by crackers. So logging, journaling, diarizing. I think I've told all of you guys, I'm still in the penalty box until I can get my act together and actually start putting together some winning trades. And it's tough. I mean, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This is a trader's life. Sometimes you go through these periods. So you can see there's my most recent that. So when I'm done with you, there was the trade setup. And as I wrote up, you can all go read exactly what my logic was through here. And I was going to risk to that level. And now I have to go and say, well, you're stopped out.